Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy crypto into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the application, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. Now you just simply have to select any of the crypto that you would like to buy, and after selecting that you will directly get the option of buy right here, buy option. And after tapping in there, it will lead you to this trade section. Now it will give you the limit, price per unit and amount option. Just simply select the limit as you would like to select into here, and then select into the amount section. Just simply select the amount that you would like to purchase, and into this bottom page it will show the total price that would cost for 12 bitcoins that I have selected. It will cost 7,45,463 USDT for now, and it will change according to the your pricing into here. And after that, tap to buy BTC, and you can choose these three methods in order to purchase. First one is P2P, second one is USD, and third one is deposit. Select any of the suitable option and you can buy it. This way you can easily buy crypto into your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.